Hi, this is Tamara here from the EFT Training Centre. And I am joined with my dear friend Michelle Kay. I'm like myself.
I have to.
And we are on a little adventure, and we've definitely had our fair share of adventures in these last couple of days. So yesterday,
Well, a barrier came down on the back of the van.
And we drove away with it on the van. And then today we were driving along, and suddenly the gear stick knob
Blew off.
popped off, and I had to run down to the edge of the van, pick it up and bash it back on.
While I was driving up these hills and down.
And then the next time it popped off, I caught it in my hand and we pushed it back up. It was too dangerous to drive, so we've been stopped here for 3 hours in this beautiful view. And I thought, to kill some time, it would be absolutely wonderful to do some tapping on magic and miracles, surrender into the moment, which is what we're doing. We've just been dancing like crazy.
And a good bit of laughing as well.
And a lot of laughing.
And we will get to a beach tomorrow.
And I deeply and completely love, honour and accept this moment.
Love, honour and accept this moment.
With magic and miracles.
With magic and miracles.
And say transform.
And say...
And take a deep breath. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this entertaining video. We've had a lot of fun making it.
We have.
And if you want to follow us, my Facebook page is Tamara Don, and Michelle's Facebook page is
Eat, Dance, Shine.
And I totally recommend dancing with Michelle. And we'll hopefully do some more videos together.
Yes, see you
Lots of
soon.
love. Bye.
Bye.